Hey everybody, Vacationeer Tom here with Elena. It is Sunday, January 5th, and we are back at the Disney parks. And you can see behind us which one we're at right now, but we're not going to only this one because there are 3 attractions closing on this day. Today's the last day you'll be able to ride it before their refurbs. And in Epcot, it is this 3 Caballeros. So we're gonna go ride that right now. Then we might head over to another park. You have to stand by and see what the other 2 parks are.
Let's go!
Woo! All right, we're in our first Disney park for 2025. Epcot. Yay!
Okay.
So like I said, we're going over to Mexico. We're gonna hit the 3 Caballeros. Then we're gonna leave because we got 2 other parks we gotta go to. There's 3 attractions today that they will cease to operate for at least 3 months coming up. So 2 Caballeros is first on our list. Oh my God, 25 minutes for Spaceship Earth. We may be waiting a little bit this afternoon. So I should say it is like 2:30 in the afternoon. We decided instead of rope dropping this morning to do this, to wait in the afternoon when it's a little warmer. Because one of the rides, spoiler alert, is a rapids ride. So I don't want to be doing that when it's very cold. To be honest with you, once we get to Animal Kingdom, I'm kind of hoping that it's down, it's not running, but we'll see. But if it is running, we're on it. We have made it to Mexico. Hey, hey, margarita. All right, here we are, the 3 Caballeros. Gran Fiesta Tour. I suspect the next ride that we ride at Magic Kingdom, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, will have a much longer line than this one. And the least line will be the last one we do at the Animal Kingdom, the Cali River Rapids. So beautiful. Cava de Tequila, of course, has a huge line, as you would suspect. Elena's dragging behind. Let's see where this line is. Oh, here we go. There we go. It's not. Hello.
Hola.
All right. That's not so bad. Well, we got in the line at 2:45, and it is now 2:49. So it's been a total of 4 minutes. So although this line is longer than what we usually wait in, it still only took us 4 minutes to get on, so hoorah!
You have chosen next one. Gracias.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del auto. Y cuide los animales.
It's the restaurant.
Yes. This here they
Perhaps he's in Mexico City. This way! Perhaps he's in Mexico City. This way!
Well, it's 2:58, so we're on our way out of Epcot. As soon as we got here, we're already leaving to get over to the Magic Kingdom. That's our next stop. We're gonna take the monorail over and ride Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, because it is going away all of next year, not just 3 months. Oh no, all of 2025, it will be down. So we definitely got to get a ride on that. And because of that, it's going to be a long line. I haven't looked. I like the surprise, the anguish, the pain. So let's get out of here, get on the monorail, and get over to the Magic Kingdom. Of course, we had to stop for a photo. We had to get off that monorail to get on the other monorail. I didn't realize that. That's okay, because we just got here, and here comes the other monorail. So no harm, no foul. It's 3:30, so let's go.
Smoking is not permitted in Magic Kingdom, except in the designated area outside the park entrance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. This is the Magic Kingdom monorail station.
This is a good sign. There's nobody waiting to get into the park. Hallelujah. Let's go. No one might be coming in, but man, there's a lot of people in here once you do get inside, and a lot of people are leaving. I don't know. Like I said, it's 3:38, so I'm not sure if the parade just ended or what's going on, but man, holy mackerel. This place is crazy. Let's go take a look at Main Street for the first time in 2025. Excuse me. Oh my God. My hopes that Big Thunder won't have a long queue are going down the drain. It's not looking good. Now I'm thinking maybe Big Thunder is 60 minutes posted at least. Holy cow. Pirates claims a 35 minute, but extended queue is all the way outside wrapped around. So if that's 35 minutes, I'm not so certain that's accurate, but I mean, that's a good sign, I suppose. I spy a big crane over yonder. That's a good sign. Construction is about to commence. Very lovely. All right, how bad is this queue? Oh my God. Are you serious? All right. This queue is stupid. 70 minutes. All right, let's find the end. Oh my God, this line is ridiculous. There it is, the end. Let's get there. Hallelujah. Mountain? Okay, here we go. All right, 70 minutes, we made it. Tom Sawyer's Island is very busy today. We're at about 16 minutes. Now the standby wait is up to 80 minutes, and we're actually standing in front of the ride, but there is still a lot of back and forth we got to go through. All right, it's been about a half hour. The standby wait went from 80 down to 60 since getting in line. And now we're off to the side of the ride. You can see the actual queue right there. So within the next, Lord, I don't know. I'm not even sure how this queue goes, to be honest with you. So I have no idea how much longer before we actually get into the queue proper. Let's wait and see. I think we're about to cross the threshold of the actual queue. Oh, it's down to 50 now. Holy cow, we may have to ride it twice. And here we go. Up the first set of steps. We made it. We made it, Elena. We're in the queue. Oh, that would be a bummer if they get the height check. They should height check at the end of the line, because man, you have to wait a half hour and find out you're not short, you're too short. Yowzers. Let's hope after the refurb there's still no whistling allowed on this attraction. We're now at about 42 minutes of actual time of waiting. And you can see if we just jumped over the edge, we'd be right there. But unfortunately, we have a lot of switchbacks to go around before we get there. So
1 hour more.
1 hour more? No. Here's some interesting notes for those who might suffer a cave-in, flash flood, or bad beans. Speedy funeral, $10. Proper funerals, $30. With mourners, $35. Oof. Plot with a view, $42. Grave alarm, extra. Bring suit, boots, and body. I think they actually have these explosives working, so we're gonna crank it up and blast it. Let's make it go boom. Sort of work. Oh yeah, there it goes. There we go, we got it to go. Oh, it's a horse. I'm not sure what that one was. 63 minutes in, we got past the lightning lane. We're finally in. Hoorah! We got in line at 3:50, so in 2 minutes it will be exactly 70 minutes. As long as the train comes and we get on, that time will be exact. Not too shabby. 69 minutes. We got 1 minute early. All right. Last ride in 2025 for Big Thunder. Are you ready for the last ride in 2025 for Big Thunder? Let's go. There we go. Oh! Boom. Well, ciao for 2025. We'll see you in 2026. Better than ever. Well, that's it. This is the end. My only friend. The end. Ciao.
Adios.
We'll see you in 2026.
Yes.
All right.
You want to do the same
Now,
one? Like, do you remember the people that
we gotta get out of here for we gotta get back to Epcot so we can go to Animal Kingdom. It's now 5:04. So at 69 minutes, they're pretty spot on. Let's see what the wait now is. Yeah. All right, it's back up to 70 minutes. Like I said, it's now 5 o'clock, so let's see how long the line is. All right, it's basically where it was when we got in, so the more things change, the more they stay the same. Okay, yeah, expect to spend about 70 minutes if you are standing right here right now. Now let's get out of here. Hockey game.
We just came out of there.
After 15 minutes, I have a seat. We're off the monorail, back at Epcot, and heading to our car, Crush 206. It's now 5:40 p.m. So we should get to Animal Kingdom, within, I'd say, around 6. And then it'll be time for the Kelly River Rapids. OMG. It's starting to cool down. It's still pretty warm out though. 67, so it's still good for a rapids ride, don't you say?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Like clockwork, it is 7:57 and we're here at Epcot. Of course, I have no idea. Look how beautiful that sky is. I have no idea where we are. Parking wise, luckily my car has an app and it has a car finder on it, so I'm not too concerned, but yeah, I don't see any markings anywhere for this parking area. So very interesting. Sadly, Richmond, Virginia right now is getting hit with a winter storm. So, here we go. Peacock 110. Well, I didn't get to come here for Christmas season to see the Christmas tree at Animal Kingdom, but I did make it after. And how beautiful it is. All right, we're in the park at 6:10. Let's get to Kelly River Rapids. It's time to get wet. Here's the sad part about this. I don't know if I should go left or right to get to the River Rapids. I'm ashamed. All right, so I asked the first cast member. He had no clue. He had no idea. then I asked somebody else in. They said, go down here, across the bridge into Asia. Huh. I'm already confused. That's Dial-Land. Okay, never mind. Cross the bridge into Asia and then make a right and a left or something. Once I get in a general vicinity, I'll figure it out. Is it open? Heck yeah, it is. Let's go. 5 minutes. Whoop, whoop. Let's go. There's nobody in this line with us. Just Elena and I. We're gonna have a tube to ourselves.
Thank you for choosing Gaudi Rapids Expeditions. We hope your journey will show you all the
Two, please. Thank you. Let's go. Ah, I get pretty lights. Hello, two, please.
You want to go to 17 to my friend Ryan.
17.
Make sure that camera stays collapsed.
It doesn't expire. Hello.
You can sit anywhere you like. Watch your step.
Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, we're on Kelly River Rapids, and we're all by ourselves. Yeah, the seats were wet. Let's hope we don't get wet. Let's see what the current temperature. Well, I mean, it says it's 66. Yeah, it's not cold, and we speed walked here, so. Well, I would say I'm hot, but I'm definitely I'm comfortable. So yeah. Even sitting in a wet seat, I'm not uncomfortable.
I don't know. Look.
Booga 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 booga.
Oh my god.
There we are, folks. Luckily, this is a very short rapids ride. Oh, come on, kick it the other way. We don't want to be going backwards. All right. Well, this thing is. All right, well, sorry, Elena. You're going down to Chinatown. I'm assuming all these lights are for Christmas. But I'll be honest with you, I don't know the last time I rode this was, so. What a beautiful night. It's a beautiful night to get wet. The moon, when the moon hits her eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. Uh-oh, there's gators on the loose. And elephants too. I immediately regret doing this. I think we're fine. I think we're fine. Please don't get me wet. Please, please, please. I'm pretty sure we're okay. Alright. Yeah, alright.
So B3.
Let's just take it nice and easy.
No, so B3.
We should kick around though. I'm not a big fan of going backwards here. Alright, here we go. Okay, yeah, here, see? Let's kick back. No, I don't want to go. Yeah, okay. It's not ideal, to be honest with you. I don't really. Oh, that was close. That was close. Let's go easy, people. Easy. Okay, good. good. Woo! I did get a little wetness, but nothing too damp. I'm not 100% sure I ever rode this in the dark. Now that I'm riding it in the dark, I don't think I have. Like, I've never noticed like that truck has headlights. Yeah, this is a new experience for me. Oh, look how cool. Okay, no, let's not go backwards. Let's not go backwards. Turn! Okay, good. All right, easy. Oh! I think.
Very nice.
Okay, as long as nothing crazy happens here. Oh!
Pero what if this?
Okay, okay. Hold on, hold on. Bump, bump, bump. Okay, that's not cool. Okay, good. They turned that off. Oh wait, no, we're gonna get hit there. We're gonna get hit. We're gonna get hit. We got hit. Okay, but it wasn't that bad. Okay. Going backwards here is not cool. We got a bump or something. Okay, this is not gonna be great. Okay, that wasn't bad. Okay, we got hit there. Okay. Okay, turn. That's gotta turn off. That's gotta. Please, for the love of God, turn off. Please, for the love of God, turn off. Oh my God, we ducked it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I thought for sure that was turning off and it didn't. I had to go low. Oh my God. That was crazy. Now, they don't have guns, right? I mean, they're not going to shoot us. These people are nice.
Little.
Little.
What?
A little. As long as we don't get anything else. Oh, okay. Very good, very good. Okay. I think we made it. As long as this elephant doesn't shoot us. Oh, see, that kid's got bad intent. All right, we're good. Oh, we made it. Hallelujah. All right. See, that wasn't so bad. That was fun. That was good.
Yes.
We could have got, definitely could have got wetter. Yeah, honestly. I mean, I think the camera's the wettest thing there is. I'm not sure how the camera got as wet as it did, but yeah.
Short, mi pantalon.
That wasn't too bad. That was a good time, everybody. Good time. That was an absolute blast. What did you think?
Yes.
So good, so good.
It's awesome.
Yeah. Little wet, but nothing too much. I think the wettest we got was when we sat on the seat. Yeah. When we sat on the wet seat is the wettest we got. So yeah, that wasn't bad at all. What a great afternoon to come out to the parks, ride 3 attractions that are going to go down for refurbishment for the next 3 to 12 months. And then end the night here in the park in Animal Kingdom, where we don't spend a lot of time, to be honest with you. If you listen to upcoming podcasts, you'll see that I'll give you a spoiler. We're in this park 4 times a year. The last 3 years, it's been 4 times each year, so we don't come here often. So it's nice to spend some quality time at the Animal Kingdom. It's official, 40-minute wait. About 15 minutes in. Never back here before. I've never seen this queue like this. All right, it's been 30 minutes and we're on Expedition Everest. Let's go. Elena's first time. Woo! Rio. Very dark. First time riding this in the dark. Oh! Not sure how good this video is gonna be.
Oh my god.
What did you think, Elena? You like that?
It's crazy.
Oh, what do you think, Elena?
Oh my god, it's crazy. It's very crazy.
I gotta tell you, doing it at night, I saw the Yeti the best I've ever seen. Usually when you're in the sun all the time, your eyes don't get a chance to adjust, so you don't get to see the Yeti. Oh my god, so much fun. Very good. Very impressed. That was awesome. It's 7:10, the park closes at 8, so we're gonna go get in dinosaur line and ride dinosaur before we leave tonight.
Oh.
So much fun. Elena loves Expedition Everest. so good. Oh, so fun. Yes, you're holding on very tightly to me. So good, man. Great times. All right, let's go get on dinosaur. All over the world. I've never ridden this ride. What time is it? 7:17. I think we have time. Let's ride it. It's gonna be closing. Triceratops Spin. Your dinosaur, my lady. Oh my god, we barely fit in this thing. we got to exercise a little bit more, I think. All right. This is our first time and probably our last time ever riding this. They're closing this and removing it. It's gone. This whole section, this whole area is going away. Yep.
Not today.
Not today.
Hey, Spinners, it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated with that seatbelt fastened good and tight as you spin. Whilst you're spinning, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del dinosaurio. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Riders in the front row can use their lever to fly higher or lower. Riders in the back
We're going
row
underground.
can use their lever
We're going
to
down.
tilt
As soon as we start,
or backward.
we're going to dig into the ground.
Ready? Then let's go for a spin.
Woo! Oh, jeez. Wow. Oh, yeah. I don't want to look at that dinosaur's butt. Look how beautiful. Ready? Drop. Oh, wait. It's not working. It's not very responsive. It takes a while for it to go up and down. I like to get a little bounce. It's a bit brisk.
Oh my god, this bridge is
How was that for a spin?
Woo!
Please stay seated until your Triceratops comes to a complete stop. Then, make sure you have all your belongings and walk to the exit gate.
Wow.
Welcome back, Spinners. Please gather all personal belongings and continue to our exit. Enjoy the rest of your day in Dinoland, USA.
Now, it's time for dinosaur. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Let's go. I've never rode dinosaur at night either. I'm just being silly now. All right, we saw the briefing. Now we're ready to go back in time. We're going back in time. Let's see what time it is. It's 7:30, so plenty of time.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just a little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer, slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it.
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver. Left, right, left, right. That's close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort, abort.
Iguanodon.
Forget it. Get them out now.
We'll be back for you.
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself. This is it. They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna make it.
Oh my God, he made it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it. I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? Woo! I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything.
That was a blast from the past. So much fun.
Fantastico.
Fantastic. All right, I think we're gonna head out of the park now. We had a wonderful time. It is a bit chilly now. I don't know about getting on Kelly River Rapids at this point. It might be a little cold for the Rapids ride. But I think we're gonna head on out. It was a glorious day. We got to ride 3 attractions going down. Today's the last day before they're going down for refurbs. We got to ride all 3 plus some more. So I say a successful day all in all. Elena, how do you like your day?
Yes, very nice.
It's very nice. So much fun. Had an absolute blast. 3 parks, 3 plus rides. I don't know how many rides we did. But yeah, super fun.
7?
Yeah, great time. Great time. What a great way to spend the day. But I think that will do it for this one. So I'd like to thank everyone for joining us. Until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories. Ciao.
Bye.
Thanks for watching the Vacationeers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.